Good morning students. Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss class 9th chapter 4 values and data types. As in the last video we have discussed about character set, that is combination of characters, special characters and numbers, and we have discussed about ASCII character set, that is 7-bit code, and we have discussed about Unicode character set, that is 8-bit code, and we have discussed one program also to print Unicode characters on the screen. Today we will discuss escape sequence. Escape sequence means when you want to print any special characters on the screen, and this objective we will discuss through page number 53 and page number 54. Start with terms. What is escape sequence? A set of characters that has special meaning to the Java compiler. Means that if you want to print some special character that is saved in Java compiler that have special meaning to the Java compiler, you have to use the escape sequence. Means you will print that character with the help of backward slash. See, an escape character is a 2-character sequence that start with backslash. 2 character means one you will put the backslash and one you will put your special character. It may be double quotes, it may be dollar sign, it may be you want to print backslash on the screen also. It represents a special character that would otherwise be unprintable. Unprintable means without escape sequence or backslash it will not print on the screen. For example, if you want to print hello, double quote start, world, exclamation mark, double quote close, that is you want to put double quotes around the world. For this we need to use escape sequence. So how we will write? System.out.println round bracket start, then double quote start. These double quotes it for simple message that we are going to print. Then hello. Again backward slash and double quotes is used to print double quote on the screen. Then we will write world, exclamation mark. Again backward slash and double quote is used to print double quotes on the screen that we have started around the world. Then last double quote close, that double quote is for that we have started before the hello word. And again round bracket close and semicolon. This way we will print escape sequence with the help of we will print hello world on the screen. Now we will discuss different escape sequence plus their define or their description. Start with slash n, means if you will write slash n on the screen, so what will happen? It will insert a new line in the text at this point. Means for example, like you are writing I am studying in Holy Heart School, and after studying word you want to move to next line. So at this place you will use the slash n. So your text will move to the next line. Number 2 is slash t. T for tab. Insert a tab in the text at this point. Like our tab key is there on our keyboard that gives 0.5 space by default. Same way in the message when you want to give the tab space. So what you will write over there? Slash t. It will insert a tab space over there. Next is slash. Double slash means one is backward slash and one slash that you want to print. Insert a backslash character in the text at this point. Means like here you want to give the choice yes or no. So we will put the slash between yes or no. So for that yes or no you have to put the 2 backslash. Next is slash double quote that we have discussed in example. When you want to print double quote, insert a double quote character in the text at this point. So how you will write? Slash and double quotes. Same way like you have print the double quote. If you want to print single quote, so you will write insert a single quote character in the text at this point. Means you will write backward slash and single quote. Next is slash r. R means insert a carriage return or enter in the text at this point, same as pressing the enter key. So carriage return or /r is same as /n. When you want to move to next line in your text, so you will put /r also. Next is /? So you can understand very easily. Insert a question mark in the text at this point. So like in the SOP statement, you have asked any question, what is your name? And you want to print question mark. So how you will write, what is your name /question mark. So it will print question mark on the screen. /a produces an audible bell, that is beep sound. When you want to insert any kind of sound in your program, so you will write /a. Next is /0. Represent a null character, means when you want to print no character on the screen, so you will print /0. Clear, students? So these are the different escape sequence that we have discussed with their define. Now students, we will discuss one program of escape sequence to print our biodata on the screen. Now you can see that I have opened my BlueJ project window. Now I will click on new class icon and I will write the class name escape SEQ. Click on OK button. Now our class icon is displayed. Double click on the class icon. Press Ctrl+A and press the delete key. Now we will write our code. Public class, as you have written the class name capital, first letter capital, so here you will also write first letter capital. Escape SEQ, enter, curly bracket start, public static void main, round bracket start, string args, square bracket, round bracket close, enter, curly bracket start. Now we will have to print message on the screen, so we will write system.out.println to print the message on the screen, and ln means next line. Now round bracket start, double quote start. Firstly we will use the escape sequence enter, means /n. /n is used to move in next line. So students, we will write enter your father's name /n, that is our escape sequence character, double quotes close, plus symbol is to concatenate the next line, double quote start, enter your mother's name, double quotes close, round bracket close, semicolon. You can see what we have done. Enter your father's name, then /n and double quotes close, means here the cursor will move to next line. Plus is concatenation operator to join the two lines. Double quote start, enter your mother's name, double quotes close, round bracket close and semicolon. Enter. Next line. System.out.println, round bracket start. Now we will use the escape sequence tab space. So how we will write? We write father's name, that is any father name according to, you can print as your father name is there, /t for tab space, then mother's name double quotes close, round bracket close, semicolon. So here father name Rahul Sharma /T for tab space and mother's name Reema. Clear students? Now students, we will move to next line and we will write system.out.println. Now students, we want to use the or backslash, like we will write yes or no, true or false. Same way I want to ask, are you boy or girl? Now one backslash is for escape sequence character and one slash is for or, girl. Now double quotes close and round bracket close, semicolon. Now again next one, system.out.println, round bracket start, double quote start. Now I want to tell my name, so I want to print my name in double quotes. So how I will write? Slash double quote start, my name is, whatever is your name you can write. My name is Amit Sharma. Now again I want to close these double quotes. I will put backslash and double quotes close. Now again double quotes will be closed, that is for message printing, this one. Round bracket close, semicolon. Now I want to print my section also in single quote. How I will use? Double quote start. I will write, I read in 9th. I have written. Now A1 or A2 I want to write in single quote. So I will put slash single quote, then A1, again single quote you want to close, the backslash single quote, double quotes close, that is for message printing, round bracket close and semicolon. Enter. Now the two brackets I have started, at the end I will close the two brackets. Now we will click on compile button to check the errors. See, there is no syntax error. Click on close button. Now right click on the program or class icon, click on void main string asks. Your method call dialog box will be displayed, escape sequence dot main method curly brackets, and here you have to click on OK button. So students, here you can see that firstly next line is there where we have used the slash n, enter your father name, slash n, enter your father's name. Then father's name is Rahul Sharma /T, mother name Reema. Then next line, are you boy or girl? This is or sequence. Then double quotes, my name is Amit Sharma and I read in 9th A1. This is single quote. So this way you can use different escape sequence in your BlueJ window. So students, today we have created the program using the escape sequence. Do the practical practice of this program. Revise the term escape sequence. Read the topic carefully, and in the next video we will come with next pages. Thank you very much.